I'm Jordan Hatfield. Welcome to Dirty Rides. So around the shop, I do a lot. I kind of just jump in wherever they need me. I'm mostly into the bodywork and fabrication side. I don't do much of the paint side, so I do a lot of sandblasting and welding and block sanding and those types of things. It means a lot, man. It helped me grow as a person, and it really showed me what hard work is and how to work hard and how to go after a dream that you have. Like, if you have a dream, just do it, and there's gonna be obstacles and bad days and fights, but in the end, if you really want it, it can happen. No, I haven't ever thought about that. I guess I just want to learn. You know, it's life skills. It's you can take things you learn here and take them home with you and use them later in life. So I guess that's just it's just an opportunity, man. So I took it.
I just want you to smile on camera, actually.
I'm not gonna say that. I don't do the writing.